congratulations for making it to civil services interview.
Thank you.
Would you like to introduce us about yourself and your education background?
My name is Kritika Bharadwaj. I was born and brought up in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in history from Hindu College, University of Delhi.
How was your interview and what were the kind of questions being asked in the interview?
The interview was a very, I would say, enlightening experience for me. The board was very cordial, and the line of questioning broadly followed my subject and domain, that is history, some from Agra and Uttar Pradesh, also from my sari, and it was just a very healthy conversation about various issues.
Did they ask any question, any trickish question or any situation-based questions?
Since I had mentioned inter-school debate competition in my form, they asked me to debate on a particular issue pertaining the historiography of ancient India. That was a fun question, also tricky at the same time.
What motivated you to appear in the civil services exam?
I had a nebulous idea of appearing in this examination since school days, but yeah, that kind of idea evolved further during my graduation. I went and looked around and saw that this is a profession that can give me a lot of personal as well as professional satisfaction.
What was the mode of your preparation for this exam?
Self-preparation.
And what was your strategy for prelims and for CSAT?
I actually left it on luck. I did not really take any coaching for prelims and CSAT because I thought that it would not be as challenging as it sounded. It was a bit challenging, but I think constant preparation and a great degree of good luck helped me to clear these exams.
What was your strategy for mails and how did you approach it?
The main strategy is to conquer the syllabus first. The syllabus is very important. Divide the syllabus into portions which have organic continuity, for example, polity, history, and economics and international relations, and then set small targets and go ahead with that.
Did the board ask any question about international relations and foreign policy?
No, not really.
How do you stay physically and emotionally strong and motivated?
It all actually lies in your internal motivation. I think we are our greatest motivators, and when you appear for a venture as ambitious as civil services, it is very important that you know in your heart how determined you are to appear for it and clear it.
What's your take on mental health and UPSC preparation?
I do know that the preparation is a very challenging one. It can be a very long phase of preparation. It can be very lonely also. And since the competition is very huge, it is very difficult to sort of maintain that same level of energy throughout the preparation. But I feel that, as I mentioned earlier, that internal motivation and a belief and conviction in your own qualities is very important. Your desire to crack the civil services should come from within. It should not be conditioned by the society, and I think it's important for our mental health.
Do you have any suggestions for future aspirants for appearing for prelims?
All the best, guys. It's just put in your best and leave the result to God. As it said, Nishkam Karmi Yogya. Just put your best foot forward and don't worry about the result.
How was the night before interview and how do you feel now?
I was, to be honest, very calm, and I spent time with my family. It was very great, and I feel very good and relieved now. So
Thank you so much for speaking to us and all the very best for this day.